Now let's learn how to enable flash notification option. Go to mobile settings, scroll down this page and go to accessibility option. Scroll down it little bit. After you can see here flash notifications option, click on it. In here have two options, camera flash option and screen flash option. Now I enable camera flash option. Now I can see a preview. When I receive a notification, the camera will flash like this. This is second method, screen flash option. When receive a notification, the screen is going to flash like this. You can enable this one option as you like.